How to fix Instagram not showing reels. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not showing reels. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. First thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone like this and go to apps manager and then go to the apps and search for Instagram between all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see on this page, let's search for Instagram and here is it. Now click on it like this and click on force stop. Click then on the storage option and then click on clear data and clear cache, and after that go back to the home screen. And now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and then click update to update your Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.